In today's video, I am going to teach you how to trade micro E-mini futures on Tradingview. By the end, you'll know how to find the right contract. Connect a supported broker, place an order confidently, manage risk with stops and targets, and practice safely with paper trading. First, let's pick the contract you want to trade. In the Tradingview search bar at the top, type one of the micro E-mini tickers MES for the S&P 500, Minnesota Q for the NASDAQ, MIM for the Dow, or M2K for the Russell 2000. Select the listing that matches the futures instrument you are after. Micro E-minis are a fraction of the size of standard E-minis, which makes them more accessible for smaller accounts and fine-tune position sizing. After you select the symbol, load it on a chart so you can see price action clearly. Next, connect your broker so you can place live trades. At the bottom of Tradingview, open the trading panel. Choose a supported broker, such as TradeStation, Interactive Brokers, or Optimus Futures, and log in. Approve any prompts to authorize the connection. Make sure your brokerage account is enabled for futures, and that you have the appropriate market data subscriptions, since futures require specific permissions. Once connected, you'll see your account status and can trade directly from the chart or order panel. When you are ready to place an order, click the Trade button to open the order panel. Choose Buy if you want to go long or Sell if you want to go short. Enter the number of contracts you want to trade, keeping in mind that even micro contracts can move quickly. Pick your order type. Market executes immediately at the best available price. Limit lets you specify a price you are willing to pay or receive, and Stop becomes active only if price reaches your trigger. Useful for breakout or protective entries. Double-check the time in force if needed, like day or GTC, and review everything before you submit. Protect your trade with risk management right in the order panel. Add a stop-loss level to cap downside and a take-profit level to lock in gains. You can set these as bracket orders so they attach automatically when your entry fills. Place your stop beyond a logical technical level and set a realistic target that aligns with your plan. Finally, practice with zero risk using Tradingview's built-in paper trading account. Select